probably lighter than what it was. You know?
We need to take this uh, oil seal out. The best way to take oil seal is remove the cap and find a socket about this size, and in this case a 15/16 inch, and put that socket right there. That will push the uh, oil seal out. You just reverse it and push with your hand, oil seal comes out. We need to thoroughly clean the lid cover, make sure there is no debris. Inspect it. Now we have taken a new seal. The seal size is 20, 35, 7, they're all millimeters. I'm going to open a new bag and I'm going to show you how to install a new one. So take a paper towel and clean the stem. Thoroughly inspect for any corrosion spot. Looks clean. And then apply, take the new oil seal, apply some oil just to lubricate inside and outside, and then press it down into the cover. That's it. Just make sure it's level. Go ahead and install that cover into the shaft. If there's a need, maybe you can put a drop of oil to give you enough lubrication to push it in. I think it's right now it's sitting in perfect. And then make sure that it's properly aligned. You can put the screws back. Put all the screws in finger tight. After finger tight, use a wrench and tighten it in a crisscross pattern. This is the same procedure for changing the oil seal. There's one oil seal in the back, and then there is one oil seal on the top. So all the oil seals can be replaced following similar procedure. Now the installation is complete.